Welcome guys, and my today's recipe is spinach chicken. To start with the recipe, I'll first show the ingredients, and the ingredients are some freshly chopped spinach, some boiled shredded chicken, fresh curd or yogurt, preferred is fat-free yogurt, some salt for seasoning, pepper for seasoning, chopped garlic, green chili, half a lemon juice and oregano. Now let's start with the preparation. Heat it and put some oil into it. And let the oil heat for some time. Once the oil is hot, I'll put the chopped garlic into it. And let it cook till it gets brown. After 4 to 5 seconds of adding the garlic, we'll add the green chilies and cook them together till they turn little brown. My garlic has turned little brown, and now I'll add the entire spinach into it. And saute it on a high flame. My spinach will release some water. I'll cook the spinach till the water is little dry. I'll add some salt to it as per your taste, and some pepper powder as well. Mix them well together. And let it cook. After 5 to 6 minutes, once the water is dried in the spinach, we'll add juice of half a lemon to it. And we'll cover the pan and let it cook again for some 5 to 6 minutes. After 5 to 6 minutes, I'll open the lid and check the spinach. The spinach looks to be cooked well. In the same pan, I'll just side the spinach and add a little bit of butter. As my butter melts, into it I'll put some oregano. In the butter and the oregano goes my shredded boiled chicken in fact. And I'll saute it well in the butter and the oregano for some 2 to 3 minutes. Once the chicken is sauteed, I'll add some seasoning to it, that is some salt and a little bit of pepper powder. And now what I'll do is I'll mix the chicken and the spinach together and stir fry them for some 2 to 3 minutes. My spinach chicken is cooked. Next step is to take a bowl. Into it I'll put some curd or some fresh yogurt and also put the spinach chicken in it. Now I'll mix all the ingredients, that is the cooked spinach chicken and the yogurt together. To serve the spinach chicken, what I have done is I have taken a plate and arranged some fresh lettuce leaves on it. And the salad will be served on this bed of lettuce. And herein goes the spinach chicken salad. I'll put some chili flakes on it. And this is my spinach chicken salad ready. Goodbye and have a healthy meal.